Welcome to Wi-Fi Hub. How to reset Wi-Fi repeater. Extenders with reset hole. If your extender has a reset hole, then you will simply need to grab a paperclip or pin first. Next, you will need to put it inside the reset hole of the extender for around 10 to 15 seconds. Then release it after 15 seconds and let the extender reboot. After successful reset, you will be able to see your extender again in your Wi-Fi list with its factory default name. Repeaters with reset button. Plug the Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet. Locate the reset button on the extender. Press and hold the reset button using your thumb for 10 to 15 seconds. Release the reset button after 15 seconds. Wait for 2 minutes, 120 seconds. Check the Wi-Fi list on your device. If the extender appears with its factory default name, the reset was successful. If not, repeat the process.